Hello everyone, this is Pausha Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we're going to show you a review of a finished garment. Kate is wearing her new summer dress. We've already showed you the dark blue dress we made for her. Now she's wearing a new one. I think that the dress suits Kate perfectly. She looks amazing in it. I wish I had such a slim waist. The flounce at the neckline makes the dress look very interesting. The dress is very light. It's lined with light cambric. This is a perfect summer dress. I love the way the upper flounce looks like. It makes the dress look very stylish. Have a close look at the way the flounce was edged. We've already showed you how to edge such details with the bias binding a couple of times. The lower flounce was edged absolutely the same way. We've also showed you how to make the bias binding. Such edging also makes the details stronger. This is a very useful technique. Have a close look at the lower flounce. Notice that the lining in the lower flounce is also gathered. Have a look at the chest darts. I remind you that they were moved to the front neckline. We could do it due to the fact that they are covered with the flounce. Always think about such details in advance. It was very convenient for us to move the opening of the waist tack to the opening of the chest dart. I'm glad that we decided to do it. If we didn't move the chest darts to the neckline, they would have looked much worse here. Notice that there are no waist tacks here in the skirt. I remind you that we moved their opening to the flare. Due to this fact, the skirt in the dress is slightly flared. It's even slightly wavy here. The flounce is gathered, both the one of the main fabric and the one of the lining. Don't be lazy. The clothes we wear should be perfect both from the wrong side and the right side. The flounce is attached to the skirt circle-wise. There is also a concealed zipper inserted here on the center back. It doesn't go to the very top. There is no zipper here under the flounce. This is very tense. This is very convenient. Have a close look here. The zipper allows Kate taking the dress on and off without any problems. We had been planning to insert a zipper in the side seam, but then decided to insert it in the center back seam. It doesn't really matter in which seam to insert a zipper. The most important thing is that Kate should be able to get the dress on and off without any problems. I want you to have a close look at the dress. I'm so happy that Kate came here to show it to you. I'm sure that this is not the last garment we've made for her. There is a long, interesting journey ahead of us. I like showing you the garments we make for the young generation. I think that it might be interesting for you too. Kate looks absolutely amazing wearing this dress. White color is perfect for the hot weather. Turn around, please. Notice that the dress is not too close-fitting. Have a close look at the flounce. I remind you that the gather coefficient is 1.7. This is the best way for making flounces. It's not too wide or too tight. This is a very useful technique. I think that it's also possible to wear such dresses with the belts on the waistline. They will also look very interesting. Anyway, it looks good enough this way. We showed you how to make a pattern for this dress, how to cut and take it. We've also showed you how to edge the flounces and how to make a bias binding. I think that these tutorials are very useful. I hope that you think so too. I'm happy that Kate agreed to take part in the videos. It's always interesting to try something new and look deeper into the fashion for the young generation. Kate is an amazing model. She's absolutely stunning. I remind you that this is the second dress we made for her. Watch the videos about the first one if you haven't done it yet. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukšte Irina and Kate. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.